Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that can revolutionize your car maintenance routine, the ANCEL DS500 Elite OBD2 scanner. We found this tool online and added a link in the description for you to check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the ANCEL DS500 Elite? This is a powerful diagnostic tool designed for both professional mechanics and DIY enthusiasts. It's more than just a typical OBD2 scanner. It's a comprehensive bidirectional scan tool that offers a full system diagnosis and a whopping 28 reset functions. This means you can perform extensive checks on all the onboard control systems in your vehicle, everything from the engine to the transmission, ABS, and SRS systems. Let's talk about some of its standout features. First and foremost, the Bi-Directional Active Test capability allows you to send commands to the vehicle's ECUs. This means you can actuate components like fuel pumps, cooling fans, and even the AC clutch. For those troubleshooting electrical issues, this feature is invaluable as it helps you pinpoint circuit failures or identify broken parts more quickly. Additionally, the ANCEL DS500 Elite boasts over 28 professional special maintenance functions. This includes essential services like oil reset, electronic parking brake, EPB, service, and steering angle sensor, SAS, calibration. With features like DPF regeneration and battery registration, you can skip those costly trips to the dealer and handle maintenance yourself. Now, if you're someone who likes to stay on top of their vehicle's health, this scanner is perfect for you. It's suitable for DIY mechanics who want to save money on diagnostics and repairs, as well as for professional repair shops that require a reliable tool to handle a wide range of vehicles. It's also great for car enthusiasts who want to understand their vehicle's performance better. In practical terms, let's say you're experiencing a warning light on your dashboard. With the ANCEL DS500 Elite, you can run a full system scan to read and clear all diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs. You can also view real-time live data graphs, which help you make informed decisions about repairs. If you're working on a Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, or any FCA vehicle, the built-in auto-auth capability allows you to bypass authorization issues that can sometimes complicate diagnostics on newer models. One of the biggest advantages of this scanner is its ultra-wide vehicle compatibility. It supports all OBD2 compliant vehicles from 1996 and newer, including a vast range of American, European, and Asian models. This makes it a versatile tool, especially if you own multiple vehicles or work on different makes and models. And let's not forget the lifetime free updates. With the continuous expansion of the vehicle database, you'll always have access to the latest diagnostic capabilities, ensuring that your scanner remains relevant for years to come. In summary, the ANCEL DS500 Elite OBD2 scanner is a robust tool that caters to a wide range of users, from everyday drivers to professional mechanics. Its comprehensive features make it a must-have for anyone serious about vehicle maintenance. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.